Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Chinese takeaway style curry sauce. Well, our version of it anyway. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Did my wife double dip her chips in the opening sequence of this video? I'll have to have words with her. Okay, the first thing we do is heat the butter and oil in a suitably sized pan, and when it's nice and hot, add the onions and apple and mix through. Continue to fry the apple and onions until they start to soften. Then it's time to add in the curry powder and mix through. Fry the curry powder off for, you guessed it, a minute or two. Then it's time to add in the flour and again mix in well. Continue to fry the mixture until the flour is well amalgamated. Then it's time to add in the stock, splash at a time. If the sauce looks a bit thin at this point, don't worry, it'll soon come together. The next thing we add to the pot is the grated cream coconut and soy sauce. The next thing we add to the pot is a teaspoon of sugar. Then bring the sauce up to a simmer and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And when the 10 minutes is up, it's out with a stick blender and blend into a fine sauce. Then allow it to simmer until the right consistency is achieved, something like you got here. And when this is done, add salt and pepper to taste. You might need to put more salt in depending on how salty your stock was to start with. And there you are, Chinese style curry sauce. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. She's gonna double dip her chip again, isn't she? Oi, I know it's only me, but you're not supposed to do that. Well, that's just charming.